When you're off-grid, there are so many elements that you have to account for. And one of the things that we have to do is haul our own trash out. So before we leave, we always load it all up and get it into one area. And so right now, because we bought the shipping, got the panels into the shipping container, and we had to break that pallet down, there's a bunch of stuff that we need to get rid of. So that's what we're doing right now.
She did. She's her specs.
Oh, good.
The pipe fit.
I think you should keep those straps like Indiana Mike said.
Okay.
Did you have some already wrapped up, or?
I did, but thank you. And somebody else.
What can I help with?
Getting plastic, I guess. I got gloves on, you can do it.
Okay. So Joe wants me to start stocking up the stuff so we can pull the trailer and the Polaris in here. So I'm gonna work on that while he is gathering trash. I'm glad you bought the subway tiles. We have like 5.5 boxes.
Yeah, I was gonna bring a couple in.
Can I stack anything on this pallet?
Yeah, there's nothing under it.
Okay. I guess if we stack stuff on it, we can move it to get to them. But I guess it's already.
Yeah, I have to do it.
Okay.
Glad we did it. That was actually better.
Good. They were really not expensive. I didn't think $78 for the set, that whole thing.
Yeah, it's not bad.
And I can buy connectors now that we know. I can buy that stuff. We've got it.
Yeah. Good. Yes, sir.
We don't have a hammer out here, do we?
For what?
There's nails in these pallets that are sticking up. They need to be pounded down. There's some behind you too.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Damn. For now. You can leave this again if you want, so we can. Well, I guess we gotta move everything here.
Yeah, I was just trying to get your tires enough room.
I can do that off that point. But
Okay. All right, we're ready to go. Take this to the dump. And that's how we handle our trash. Yeah, there's a lot of effort, but we are not dependent on anybody to take care of our trash, of course. So that just makes you think about what systems you need to put into place so that it makes it easier. It's all about freedom and how much you want to live this life. And I enjoy finding new ways to do things. I think it's kind of exciting. Thanks for watching. Until next time, we're praying blessings on you, and we hope this encourages somebody to buy dirt, not diamonds. We'll see you soon.